Welcome to the assembly video of Tesgo Leopard. First, cut open the shipping straps and then proceed to open the box. Take out the bike with accessories. Proceed to remove the wrappings protecting the bike. Let's open that small boxes to see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find a charger, a pair of pedals, some belts, a bag of tools, and a user handbook. Please check all the accessories before installation. Now let's install the handlebar. First, remove the screws of head tube. Install the handlebar, and then put the circle, washer, and screw back to tight the handlebar. Please pay attention to the order of the accessories shown in the model's hand. Please turn this screw tightly. Now let's install the front wheel. Please take the headlight off before install the front wheel. And also take out the shaft underneath and the red spacer. Then the front forks are stuck on the axle of the front wheel. Pay attention to check that you have to tighten the tire after aligning the holes, and then insert that shaft, and then finally torque the screws. Now, let's install the front light and the front fender. Install the holes for the front fenders and the headlights in place of the forks and tighten the screws. Adjust the headlight place and connect the headlight's wire. Then, the headlight will work. Next, you need to screw the front fender tightly. Now let's install the pedals. Identify the left pedal with a label L and the right pedal with a label R. Take the right pedal, screw it clockwise onto the crank by hand, then tighten it firmly using the numbered 15 wrench. Take the left pedal, screw it anti-clockwise onto the crank by hand, then tighten it firmly using the number 15 wrench. Next, you need to screw the rear fender tightly. Please secure the rear fender to the frame in place, paying attention to where it is secured. Next, you need to install the rear rack. Take off the screws from the fixed position. Then place the rear hanger in the correct position and tighten the screws. Then fix the fender with the rear rack hole as well. Next, connect the brakes wire and the motor's wire. Tighten the wire with the strap. You can check and confirm if the front wheel is installed perpendicular to the handlebar. Don't forget to fasten the screws to make sure the handlebar is firm. Complete assembly. Double-check and make sure the seat post and handlebar are firmly installed. If not, please adjust it again. Turn on the battery first. Press the power button to turn on the LCD display. Test the horn and headlight. Test the throttle. You can press the plus, minus button to adjust the level of pedal assist from level 1.5 and then press the throttle. The motor gets power. Use the right brake to stop the motor and the rear light will be turned on. Test the thumb shifter. Test the front fork, and the front fork can be locked. Charge the battery. You can charge the battery when it is on the bike. Or you can use the key to unlock the battery and take it out for charging. Let's show you how to put the battery back. Open the cap of the charging port and fold the bike. Please put battery back and make sure you lock the battery after you unfold the bike. That's it. Your Tesgo e-bike is ready to ride. Thanks for watching. Let's show you how to fold the bike. First, adjust the seat tube to the lowest place and fold the pedals. Open the cap of the charging port and fold the bike. Make sure you lock the battery because the battery is quite heavy and you should take care not to drop it. That's it. Thanks for watching.